Hello Libra, hello Capricorns. This video is in English and this is all like your marriage prediction for the future feelings of Libras towards their Capricorn and Capricorn's future love energy towards their Libra. A final outcome and if there is a marriage possible or not. I also take one card for that thing, and after marriage how's your life, right? So for that I also take one more message and some love messages from your partner, one advice and one song. So let's begin with the feelings, futuristic love feelings of Libra towards their Capricorn. So let's see, this video is in English. So here we have four cards here. First is like Page of Cup, next is like Queen of Pentacles, third card is like Queen of Wands, and the fourth card is like King of Pentacles. So here I see all the positive cards, lots of positivity from the side of Libras. So first of all, Libra do want to send a text message to their Capricorns about the stable serious commitment. Libra do want to be their best version for their partner and they want something serious and solid. King and Queen of Pentacles represent a match, a good match. Libra and Capricorn having a good match because here we have King and Queen, both the energies. So maybe there is a chance that this is something twin flame soulful connection that you both share, and Libra also understand that there is some sort of a intuition of Libras that is guiding them towards their Capricorn sign. So Libra sign is like more intuitive as compared to Capricorns, and they are also looking very awesome, financially secure, lot of grounded energy present in Libra's side. So Libra is more a cool, calm, collected sort of energy that I see from the Libra side, and a lot of high vibrational person Libra is, right? So this is the energy of Libras. Very high vibrational person, king and queen sort of energy, good intuition, listening their intuition, moving into the right direction, working on their pentacle side, their money area, very stable, very grounded, lot of positive vibes I am receiving from the Libra person. So let's check out the Capricorn side. So here we have the 10 of swords, we have the 4 of swords, and then we have the 4 of wands. See again, uh, 4 of wands is like 11 twin flame connection for me. So some sort of a strong soulful connection that you both share. But there is a thing, whereas the energy of Libras are so high, so positive, like very confident sort of energy, high vibration, high spiritual energy, high spirit that I am feeling from the Libra sign. But in the case of Capricorns, there is some sort of a heartache, and that is the extreme level of pain that the Capricorn is going through in the past. This is the energy of past, maybe because of you, maybe because of their family members, maybe because of third party situation. But Capricorns are going through a lot of pain in the past, and now they are healing. 4 of swords representing healing. They are taking some rest, they are not putting any effort into this connection, because the meanwhile this person is like healing, they are rejuvenating their energy. So they are releasing this sort of a negative energy from their life, and what they attracting is you. They want a union, this beautiful union connection with you. Or if there is a breakup with you in the past, then this person again want a union. So they basically, whoever the Capricorn side is, they are going through some sort of a pain in the past, but they are healing, and now they want a beautiful happy family, a union in their life as a future, right, with Libra signs. So let's see the final outcome of both of you. So we have the 5 of swords. 5 of swords here representing lose-lose situation. Means what I am getting from this card is like no one making the first step to take this connection to the higher level. Means no one is like putting effort, because maybe this person want that this person put the effort and this person want the another person put the effort, or maybe one person is just thinking all the negative things about the connection. That is the reason of hindrance in this connection. So let's see if there is a marriage possible about this connection or not. So wow, Hierophant card. So Hierophant card is also a card of marriage according to me. So this is, yes, there is a chances that you both get married, but this is a general prediction, this is not a personal reading. So friends, this is a general reading, and take what resonates. If the situation is resonating with you, then definitely there is a chances of marriage, right? So take what resonates, and let's see your future after the marriage. Wow, high priestess. So high priestess again representing spiritual growth, spiritual learning. So if this is something soulful connection or a twin flame connection, there is a high chances that there is a chances of marriage plus spiritual awakening, right? So growth in your spirituality after the marriage. So that sort of vibes that I'm getting from these energies. So let's see the love messages. No matter if you are a Libra or a Capricorn watching my video, whoever the viewer watching this video, let's see the love message from your viewer, from your partner. This is the message for my viewers. I'm not worthy. So your partner have little bit insecurities that they have about this connection. Are you coming to the tree? So the meaning of this card for me is like your partner do wanna ask you if you come home or not. So tree is like a, you are like a home to your partner. Let me be your wings. They wanna support you in each and every field. Your hair shimmers in the moonlight. They really like your hair color, texture, or whatever, right? So just do you. So again, this card means the way you behave, the way you talk, the way you walk. So they like each and everything about you. And the last message is like how wonderful life is with you in the world. So they also fantasize about the life with you after marriage with you, right? So they are fantasizing their life with you. Advice for my viewers. So what advice you have? I love my food, my food loves me. Okay, so I am getting most of my viewers are like foodie. So this is that sort of a message. Song, let's see the song. So here we have Wide Awake. This is the song of Katy Perry. Wide Awake. This is English song, friends, right? So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Okay friends, bye bye.